Hang on to my hand. Come here, come here.
Okay.
Thank you.
Woo!
Hi.
It's the Alvin and the Chipmunks, and his first movie experience.
We're going this way.
Oh!
Oh, wait. You want to watch them play?
Hi, kids.
Hi, kids.
Oh, hi. Hi.
Ooh, how neat. Look at that, Ivan. You gonna drive the car? Whee! Ivan, let's go see the movie. Take my hand.
Oh, okay.
Okay, come on. Take my hand, okay?
Okay.
Thanks. Oh, what's that, huh?
That's, what is that?
That's a gun, bud. Ah! No, shoot it that way. Oh, man. Okay. Okay. I help you. Here. Thanks. Go to Rhonda.
Can I?
No, sorry. No.
Watch her go to the theater,
Oh,
too.
hi.
Oh,
Yeah, gotta be quiet.
people are trying to listen to movies, okay? No talking, okay?
Gotta be quiet. Shh. Gotta be quiet.
Alive, they're superstars, sure. But dead, they're legends. I'm talking about tribute hours, pay-per-view funerals. Wait a